horrific treatment. That's how a judge is describing a Southeast New Mexico mother's behavior toward a child she was supposed to be caring for. Today, that Texico mom learned just how much time she'll spend in prison for child abuse that includes chaining an 11-year-old to a bed. News 13's Jessica Salinas has more.
Is your plea to the counts 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all of which are child abuse? Speak up, please.
A guilty plea in a Culvis courtroom for Jamie Cushman, a New Mexico woman charged with abusing her kids inside a Texico home last year.
Ms. Cushman, you provided a cruel and inhumane prison.
Giving Cushman the maximum sentence today of 15 years behind bars after she pleaded guilty to 5 counts of child abuse.
Probably the most concerning part about this case is this wasn't a one-time occurrence.
Cushman faced more than 50 years in prison after being charged last year. State police and CYFD investigators say Cushman was beating and starving as many as 6 kids in the home. Police video showed investigators fighting poor living conditions, including a lock and chain on at least one of the kids' beds.
He's been on this bed. He's been chained to this bed. He has no food. He has no water. He has no access to the bathroom. She strikes him.
Today, prosecutors showing video evidence that Cushman recorded showing the abuse of an 11-year-old boy. They emphasized the repeat nature of the abuse. Cushman's attorney tried to convince the judge that her actions shouldn't be considered a serious violent offense.
It's hard to characterize anything there as violent. I think of violence against children, as hitting them with a stick or a weapon, or burning them with a cigarette, beating them, cutting them, shooting them, some actual violence. And I look at these videos and I'm just not seeing what I would consider to be a serious violent offense.
But the judge didn't agree.
I've seen movies and true depictions of prisoners of war, and this child was treated in a very similar way. He was starved, he was chained, he was beaten, he was humiliated. And anyone capable of the heinous acts to this child must be considered a true danger to this community.
Jessica Salinas, KRQE News 13.
A second mother in the case, Jamie Sena, was recently sentenced to 6 years in prison, while the third suspect, Laura Malancon, will have a plea and sentencing hearing next week.